Lisa, your host for today's video. So in this video, I'm going to briefly tell you what I have going on here for my pre-fall family room tour. Of course, I'm using my signature color. When I first started my YouTube channel, I used teal and cerulean all the time. And this is one of my favorite go-to colors for every season that I decorate with. So starting with this pillow is from Z Gallery. I love it, of course, because it has the glam, the glitter and glitz all up in it. And of course, because it's cerulean, one of my favorite colors. This pillow here is actually a pillow from a young lady named Decor over on Instagram. She did give me that pillow, I think maybe a year or maybe 2 years ago. I will place a link down below to her website. My furniture, my couches are from Rooms to Go. My water feature that you see in the back of me is actually from Amazon. I will place a link down below to that. My drapes are from Amazon. I'll place the link down below for that. The lamps that I have in this room is actually from Walmart. It came as a set. They've been sold out for quite some time, but if they are available, I will place a link down below for those as well. My end tables are from Homery. They have the really beautiful marble top. It's black and white at the top, but the base of the end tables are gold. So let me get up so I can show you things more closely. Okay, love, so these beautiful boxes here, these are called Ming boxes. These are from Z Gallery, and what I'm using these for, of course, is for decor. However, I have my remote controls, and I have like, really remote controls. Remote controls to candles, to my outdoor like sitting area, the TV, and things like that. This color here, I haven't seen in Z Gallery in quite some time, but if it is available, I will link it down below. This coffee table, you probably can't see it from that angle, is from Transformer Table. So I moved my camera back a tad bit so that you can see the coffee table a little bit better. So this is a candle. This candle was gifted to me by Thomas Ferrier over on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me over on Instagram, I am still on Homebody with Lisa on Instagram. This vase here is from Home Goods. I do have like some different type of florals inserted in here. Believe it or not, this is from a Christmas store, but I'm using this because it looks fallish to me, you know. This vase, you can see it a little bit better from this side, but it's super, super cute. The pumpkin is from Home Goods. I've had it for several years. The tray is from Z Gallery. I've had it for a few years. My ottomans are from Ross. My rug is from Home Goods, but you can get your hands on it from Wayfair. If it's available, I will place the link down below. The mirror plaque in the back is from Burlington. I haven't seen it in a while, but you probably can find it at Burlington's if you're a frequent shopper of Burlington. So I wanted to come over on this angle so that I can share with you the little decor pieces that I have on my end table. This little thankful pumpkin here is from Michael's. I like it because it had the cerulean and the gold. Now, whenever I see something this color, I'm going to grab it because, you know, this is my go-to color here. These pumpkins is 3-tier pumpkins. I've had it for several years. They came from Home Goods, and I just added some little cerulean bows on them. I've had these bows on this pumpkin for a couple of years. I just never took them off. And then I have a candle here. I think this candle is from Amazon. And I'll place the link down below just in case I have anyone that's interested in this color. Okay, love, so now I'm over on this side. This is the TV section, as you can see. Starting with the mirrored fireplace. It's from Wayfair, and I will place a link if it's available. The little vases that you see here, oh my God, these are super, super cute. I don't know where these came from, but when I saw them, you know, I grabbed them up, and all I did was stuck these little, these are actually from the Halloween section of Michael's from a few years ago. And of course I grabbed them because they're cerulean Has a little black in there, but who cares? But these vases are super cute. I think they may have came from At Home, because At Home carries a lot of the dark teal cerulean decor pieces. Usually I leave tags on my stuff, but for some reason I don't have the tag on these cute things here. It's off of there. That's unusual for me. So these vases are from Z Gallery. I've had them for several years. And here's a smaller pumpkin here. The little candle holders on the side are, I'm not sure if they're from Home Goods or Z Gallery. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember. Can you believe I don't remember where something came from? Two things that I'm not sure where it came from. Charge it to my head and not to my heart. Okay, love, so the bookshelves, whatever I do to one bookshelf, it's just simpler for me to do to the other. I don't just like having a bunch of different things going on each side. So the teal vase that you see at the top here is actually from At Home, of course. These beautiful pumpkins, oh my goodness. Of course, these are in that same family as those glam apples and pears that I have in my kitchen. These are from Z Gallery. I haven't seen these in stock in several years. So now the candles again are from Amazon. The ceramic books are from Z Gallery, boxes Z Gallery, and a picture of me, my mom, and my sister at the bottom. That big old ginger jar over there is from Home Goods. I've had it for several years. So that sums up my pre-fall living room, family room tour for the fall. Of course, I'm going to change the colors up in here within the next couple of weeks, because I have a beautiful color that I want to put in here. I used it before. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in here or my living room, but I'm definitely going to use it this year. I'm going to be starting my Christmas decor October 1st. So if you're a holiday lover, you love Christmas, Homebody with Felisa is the place to be. I am going to have a lot of holiday decor ideas, from decorating trees, doing table settings, bedroom ideas, kitchen ideas, home office ideas, bathroom ideas, and so on and so forth. As a matter of fact, if you have not seen my previous video, I have a giveaway going on that video. So go check out that video and enter my giveaway. For October, I'm going to do a few giveaways. So be sure you're watching all my videos so that you can enter all the giveaways for the month of October, which will be all about giving. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!